Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 5 episodes, we are going to show you interesting facts about artificial intelligence. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content. So let's get it started. Artificial Intelligence Facts 2023. Statistics and data on artificial intelligence demonstrate the extent of the market's influence on the globe. Over the past few years, it has significantly changed the technology environment. But the sector as a whole is still quite young. AI and machine learning will significantly alter how organizations, businesses, and people interact as they continue to grow. Here are some numbers and data you should be aware of. Chatbots and artificial intelligence facts. It is expected that deep learning chatbots will have a 15% increase in usage in 2022 compared to 2018. Chatbots are expected to be used in 70% of customer interactions in 2022. Minus 52% of telephone companies currently use chatbots for customer interactions. Minus 27% of customers say they would prefer to talk with a humanoid robot rather than a real-life customer service representative. The 3 biggest benefits of using a chatbot system are 24-hour service, 66%, instant responses, 55%, and the ability to respond to simple questions, 55%. Projections show that chatbots can save up to $8 billion globally a year. Voice search and artificial intelligence statistics. Simply in the US, there are over 110 digital voice and virtual assistants. Amazon Echo devices make up 53 million of those, or 30% of the voice assistant market. With 17% of the market, Google Assistant. For 55% of users, utilizing a speech recognition AI tool is primarily about using their device hands-free. Greater than the present global population, 8.4 billion assistants are anticipated to be in use by 2024 across a variety of devices. Google Assistant is the most accurate voice assistant, with a 98% accuracy rate. Apple's Siri only scores 68%, whereas Alexa from Amazon scores 93%. Only 54% of users think a computerized voice assistant can comprehend their speech correctly. Having more than 66,000 skills, Amazon Alexa has the most abilities out of any voice assistant. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.